OPM Retirement Planner Honest Review, watch before using. The Office of Personal Management, which is OPM Retirement Planner, is a suite of tools and resources designed to assist you as federal employees in preparing for retirement. It provides guidance on eligibility, benefit calculation, and the application process. And here are the key features about this platform, which is OPM Retirement Planner. They offer a retirement eligibility information together with planning and application guidance and calculator, which of the tools like the federal hack estimates to project retirement income, and also service online. They have a portal for retirees to manage their benefit. And here are the pros of this platform. It comes with direct information from the federal agency responsible for retirement processing. They also have this a comprehensive resource and a digital tools which help the recent efforts to digitalize the process aimed to improve efficiency. And here's the downside, which is a complex navigation. Some users find the website challenging to navigate, and some customer service issue, and that's it.